Sagutan natin tong problems. Evaluate the following integrals. So let's start with 1. Integral of e raised to 2x times quantity e raised to 2x plus 5 raised to the 7 dx. Okay, so try natin gamitan ito ng u substitution. So, try nating i-let u yung mas complicated expression, which is itong e raised to 2x plus 5 kasi naka-raise siya sa 7 power. And then check natin kung mapaproduce sa derivative nung e raised to 2x plus 5 yung natirang term sa integral na e raised to 2x dx, which is obviously yes. Sige. Let you muna natin itong e raised to 2x plus 5. Then get the derivative of both sides. Differential of u, that's du. How about the differential of e raised to 2x plus 5? So, for the derivative ng e raised to 2x, so alam natin, derivative ng e raised to u is equal to e raised to u times du over dx. Kung saan yung u natin is itong expression na 2x. Okay? So, applying this formula, integral ng e raised to 2x, so e raised to u, bale e raised to 2x times derivative ng u which is 2x. So, ang derivative ng 2x ay 2. Plus derivative ng 5, 0. Then, put dx. So, bale magiging du equals e raised to 2x times 2, 2 e raised to 2x. Itong plus 0, wala na, times dx. So, na-produce nga ba natin itong e raised to 2x dx? Yes, di ba? Ito siya. Pero, may na-produce na extra coefficient na 2 which we don't need. So, eliminate natin by dividing both sides by 2. So, bale magiging du over 2 is equal 2, cancel yung 2, e raised to 2x dx. So, substitute natin ngayon. So, magiging integral ng, simulan natin sa e raised to 2x plus 5. Diba yun na siya? Okay. U raised to 7. And then, ito ngang e raised to 2x dx ay du over 2. So, times du over 2. So, pwede itong i-rewrite as yung over 2, that's the same as 1/2, right? U to the 7 du. So, pwede yung igilid yung 1/2 constant. So, 1/2 integral ng u to the 7 du. So, pwede natin gamitin dito yung integral of u to the n du equals u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, provided that n is not equal to -1. Power rule, right? So, bali 1/2 times, integral nito is u to the 7 plus 1, add 1 sa exponent, over, copy yung same exponent na 7 plus 1, plus c. So, magiging 1/2, u to the 7 plus 1, 8, over 7 plus 1, 8, plus c. Tapos, multiply natin yung 1/2 times 1, 8, magiging 1 over 16. U to the 8 plus c. Then, final answer will be, ibabalik nyo yung u as e raised to 2x plus 5. So, e raised to 2x plus 5 raised to the 8 plus c. So, this is the final answer. Number 2 naman tayo. Integral ng cotangent 5x ln of sine 5x minus 2 quantity raised to the 6 dx. Okay, so try nating mag-usab ulit. So, let you natin, mas complicated itong ln sine 5x minus 2, right? Naka-raise siya sa 6th power. So, try nating i-let you yan. Let you be equal to ln of sine 5x minus 2. Okay, get the derivative. So, check natin kung mapapalabas itong cot 5x dx sa derivative nito. So, derivative ng u, du. So, derivative ng ln of sine 5x minus 2. So, for ln ng sine 5x, di ba ang formula dyan is derivative ng ln u is 1 over u times du over dx. Kung saan yung u natin dito is yung nasa loob ng ln sine 5x. So, applying that formula here, so 1 over u, which is sine 5x, times derivative ng u na sine 5x. So, anong derivative ng sine? Diba derivative ng sine u is cos u times du over dx. Yung u natin dito is yung nasa loob ng sine na 5x. So, chain rule. So, bali, derivative ng sine 5x is cos u. Yung u natin is 5x. Tapos, times derivative ng u uli na 5x, which is 5. Okay? So, meron tayong 1 over sine 5x cosine 5x times 5. Then, minus derivative ng 2, 0, constant. Tapos, lagyan lang natin ng dx. Okay? So, simplifying, magiging du is, bale, 5 cosine 5x over sine 5x na lang. Etong minus 0, wala na. Dx. So, na-produce ba natin yung cot 5x dx? Kasi itong cosine 5x, sine 5x, by trigonometric identity, di ba yan ay cotangent, right? Cotangent 5x dx. So, na-produce nga natin. Ito siya. Okay, meron lang extra coefficient na 5. So, divide na lang natin both sides by 5. Hindi natin kailangan si 5, right? So, magiging du over 5 equal, so cancel na to, cot 5x dx. Okay? So, substitute natin. So, bali magiging integral ng, so itong ln of sine 5x minus 2, siya na si u, raised to the 6th power. And then itong cotangent 5x dx nga is magiging du over 5. So, times du over 5. So, itong over 5, gilid natin as 1/5. So, magiging integral ng 1/5 u to the 6 du. Tapos, pwedeng ilabas sa integral yung 1/5 constant. So, 1/5 integral ng u to the 6 du. So, bali, power rule ulit. So, 1/5 u to the, integral nito is u to the 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 plus c. So, 1/5 u to the 6 plus 1, 7 over 6 plus 1, 7 plus c. So, multiply natin yung 1/5 times 1, 7, 1 over 35 u to the 7 plus c. And then, ibabalik natin yung u as ln of sine 5x minus 2. So, ln of sine 5x minus 2 raised to the 7 plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, last, for number 3, integral ng sine x square root of cosine x plus 10 dx. So, di ba pwede itong isulat as integral ng sine x cosine x plus 10, yung square root pwedeng gawing exponent na 1/2. Okay? So, try nating mag-usab, let u ko yung etong expression na cosine x plus 10 kasi mas complicated siya, naka-raise siya sa 1/2. So, let u be equal to cosine x plus 10. Derivative ng u du, derivative ng cosine x plus 10. So, yung cosine x, derivative niyan is negative sine x, right? Plus derivative ng 10, 0, dx. So, magiging du is negative sine x, wala na itong 0, dx na lang. So, notice na produce natin itong natirang term sa integral, right? Yung sine x dx. Pero meron siyang extra coefficient na negative or negative 1. Eliminate natin by dividing both sides by negative 1. So, bali du over negative 1, negative du. Tas cancel na to, sine x dx. So, substitute natin. Magiging integral ng, so yung cosine x plus 10 nga ay u na lang, raised sa 1/2. Tapos itong sine x dx nga, negative du. So, yung negative na to, constant yan, gilid natin, sa magiging negative integral ng u to the 1/2 du. So, negative integral nito, applying power rule ulit. So, u to the 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus c. Simplify, negative u to the 1/2 plus 1, 3/2 over 3/2 then plus c. Tapos, get the reciprocal ng 3/2, bali negative 2/3 u to the 3/2 plus c. Tas final answer, ibabalik yung u as cosine x plus 10. So, negative 2/3 cosine x plus 10 raised to 3/2 plus c, yan yung final answer. Try nyo namang evaluate itong integral. Integral ng cosine x cube root of sine x minus 1 dx. And just comment your answers.